Nobody stepped forward as an owner, so they were going to euthanize him. Noodle was a stray. He had a rare degenerative brain disease that causes him to faint. So I've decided to adopt him. There was little hope. But he's been with me for a year now and he's doing great. His body weight was very low, 60 pounds. Now he's about 85 pounds. Knowing that his triggers are excitement, I try to keep his life really predictable. So during the day, he has his quiet, dark room that he can feel safe in. I've lowered the bed so he can get in and out on his own. Seeing him happy is one of the greatest joys that I've ever had in my life. In the last few months, as his condition progresses, we had to get a special harness to support him. We were grieving the loss of our previous dog, and he really helped heal us through that process. He's just so kind and so sweet. I love you, Noodle.
Please subscribe to support us and click the bell icon to get new video updates.